got rid of the packaging like a fool, but I have been using the Sisleya eye and lip contour cream in the mornings and night, and I really like it, and I've been really enjoying it. It's a really thick white cream. I put it in a pot. I decant all my samples in a pot like this, and you wouldn't believe this was a small envelope, and it's been lasting me for like a week and I still have that much left. So try to decant them into pots. Okay, so mini review. I only had a sample, so I can't tell you long term what this does, but I can tell you that in a sample in 3 days, which is how much this lasted using it overnight, I would see if it was giving me spots, if it was giving me eczema, if it had any problems, and it did not. It worked. And this is glycolic acid, which is the same thing that the new version of the Sunday Riley Good Genes has, which I love, that I use every night overnight. So this is kind of doing the same thing, replenishing, making your skin bright, radiant, and I think it worked. I think my skin was very smooth and in a really good condition, so I enjoyed using this. Just a heads up if you want to try it. This stuff is beautiful. Every time I can get a sample of this, I do, because it's super nurturing to your skin. It's an oil. I know the name isn't there, but it's called Replenish Restore Rejuvenate Oil. I'll put a link down below. Really beautiful feeling, doesn't look oily, really nourishes the skin. Like this a lot for when your skin is a bit dry or sensitive, any of that. Okay, so I just woke up, but I want to say before I forget, this oil, it's meant to be really good, but it was breaking me out terribly, so I stopped using it. This is what it's called. And it was given to me in one of those super cool sample packages.